Hello guys, here is AGL Maths and we'll be looking at chapter 1, which is algebraic expressions. To start with, we're going to look at some rules followed by some examples, and at the end of each video I'll be giving you guys a challenging question to do by yourself. And let's get started. And we'll be starting with the laws of indices. The first rule is a to the power of m times a to the power of n, which equals to a to the power of m plus n. So whatever you multiply is whatever you add. And the second rule is a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n equals to a to the power of m minus n. So whatever you divide is whatever you subtract. And the third rule is a to the power of m to the power of n. Remember, there's a bracket, so you need to multiply m by n. And the fourth rule is ab to the power of n. And you can factorize out the bracket by writing the power n on top of a and on top of b. Remember that these laws of indices only work if the base equals. And this is an example of this, in which we will start with 9 divided by 3 is 3, and x to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 1 is x to the power of 4, and minus 5 divided by 3, which is 5 over 3, times x to the power of 3 divided by x, which is x to the power of 2. And here are some more laws of indices, which will work with any rational power, in which you will need to understand and remember for your exam. And this is an example of this, in which you would divide the corresponding letters with letters and numbers with numbers. Then you would write your answer in its simplest form. And here are some rules in which you need to know in order to rationalize denominators. If the denominator is square root of a, then you have to multiply both denominator and numerator by square root of a in order to rationalize the denominator. And the same principle follows for the rest. And an example as follows, in which you would multiply 3 plus square root of 5 with both the denominator and the numerator in order to factorize the denominator. And here comes the challenge question. And you can leave your answers in the comments down below. And thanks for watching. See you next time.